Hi, to download live wallpaper on your Vivo V40, we would need to open the Play Store and here find this Magic Fluids app and then install it. So I already downloaded it and now let's open this app. Here we can go in the presets and already select our live wallpaper, but before we do it, we can go in the scene, change image quality, simulation resolution, glow shadow quality. Here we can check the full version. In the colors, we can go in the color change and select either continuous or on new touch. So when you will be touching the screen, you would see this cool animation. Now fluid, here you can change the amount and lifetime. In the input, you can also change some of these settings here. And in the effects, you can change intensity and direction. Here you can select random or alone motion. Now let's go in the presets and select any wallpaper from the list. For example, I want to choose this one and here we need to tap yes, and after that we would need to go just lower on the page and select this option to apply settings to live wallpaper. And here you can select apply and set as live wallpaper, and this is how it will look on your screen. So select apply and choose either home screen or lock screen and home screen. Let's select the second option and now it is applied successfully, so let's check it. And here it is, this live wallpaper, and with each new touch you will see this cool animation. Let's check the lock screen, and yes, we got it here as well. So to disable this live wallpaper, you would need to go in the settings. Here, go in this tab lock screen and wallpaper. You can go in wallpaper and set it manually, or you can go in your themes, select any theme you have, then choose to apply, and now you just disabled your live wallpaper. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.